Let's take it over to Alan Knuckman. He is a pro trader and chief market strategist at Paradigm. Good to see you there. What do you think about the market action this week, Alan?
Hello, Angie. Stocks seem slow this week, but in reality, we made new all-time highs in gold, the S&P, and the Dow, even though it seems like a bit of a stock stall.
What else can you tell us about trading the market this week?
All right, let's remember earnings start in about 3 weeks from now, so that's important. The market's on pause a bit, waiting for that new fundamental data to drive the markets.
What's your trade of the day?
All right, let's talk about our trade trigger today. I'm looking at Schlumberger once again. We saw a big bounce in oil. Oil had bounced about 10% in a period of about 10 days. Now looking at SLB, this is a stock that's got a PE of 13. And for me, more importantly, it's got bullish divergence bottom. It made lows about 10 days ago at 38. And we're seeing money flow. We're seeing smart money accumulate long positions in this stock once again.
Something interesting about Schlumberger is this company is really connecting to artificial intelligence. What do you see happening with this stock?
All right, SLB is up 250%. That's a lot. 250% from its 2020 bottom. So it is a momentum stock that has pulled back. It's down about 30% in the last 52 weeks. So that sets up a great risk reward play. Now, technically, it's been trading sideways between 40 and 50 now here for 5 months. These new lows, like I said, but it's come back up inside that range in that channel. But more importantly, there's a gap up at 45 and a gap up at 46 to be filled.
What's your options trading plan for this one, Alan?
All right, 45 is an important pivot that we want to keep an eye on. We can get back above that. You're going to see some strength and some short covering in this stock because that's a midpoint of that 40 to 50 range. The way to play, I'm looking at a January option, a 37.5 call, which is below that 38 low. It's a January option, has 4 months of time. That call is trading for about 6. With the stock at 42, it's going to be about $5.50 in the money. So the expiration break even is not significantly higher, with plenty of time for good things to happen in this SLB stock.
You always have your eyes on the market. What are your trading day takeaways for us?
All right, trading takeaway number 1. Triple D, we've been waiting for this. The dollar dive, it dove below 100, first time in a long time, and most importantly, broke below that psychological midpoint that we've seen for the last 35 years of my trading, roughly between 120 and 80. Number 2, summer sights. All right, the July low in the VIX is around 10. We're about 15 and change right now, so that's 30% lower, a lot more downside in the VIX to just get back to that summer low. And number 3, growth. So we're seeing 5% earnings growth expectations, 5% revenue growth, and 12% profit margin for this stock market, the S&P, here in our earnings season coming up. So that's a very positive sign, and we've got some expectations that say the markets are going to continue to excel.
Have a great trading day. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.